Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Hadn't shot a video in a little while and I wanted to give you all a true rundown of our shop and our fab area and just what we got going on here at Rugged Rigs. So let's go over next door and grab my business partner and give you a rundown. What's happening, Slick?
What's that?
Man, we hadn't showed nobody the shop, man. What are you doing, designing?
Yeah, working on stuff.
Hell yeah. Let's go give everybody a look-see at what we got going on.
All right.
Man, what you been working on this week?
Lots and lots of beds, parts, kits, you name it. Trying to catch up. And here we got a Arkansas DOT truck that we're going to be working on. We're putting a bed on it for them. Got it in yesterday. It's a 19 cabin chassis. Got our old first gen. This is our mechanical bay. It's where we do all of our installs and our mechanic in and whatever big builds we're working on. This is the shop. Still kind of a mess right now, but we got a full kit going out, got a bunch of parts going out tomorrow. Where the magic happens, the CNC table, everything I designed. Got beds going on that whole side of the shop there. Got a tack kit going, got another bed here. Got another kit over there being crated up so that it can ship out in the morning. Got a whole little bay full of stuff and parts. Just about everything that you can think of. Got a whole bunch of parts cut over there ready for beds to get assembled. Lots of work. Lots and lots of work.
Hell yeah.
We're catching everything up, so if you're on any of our lists, just be ready because we're 100 mile an hour right now. We've got a lot of stuff done this week, so a lot of parts are going out, and within the next few weeks there's going to be a whole lot of kits going out and a whole lot of beds and stuff going out, so you guys keep track.
Hell yeah, y'all. I wanted to go give you a little rundown of kind of what a kit looks like. Let's go walk over here to one that's pretty much ready to go and it's laid out. The other one's already all on its crate, so I want to go check it out. Come on.
So, if and or when you ever order a kit from us, you're going to get 3 main pieces to the frame, which will look like this assembled. It's very, very easy. You just put it together, you square it, you got your frame assembled. It's very simple. Got all your inner boxes, all your inner pieces, which again, if you look over here, they assemble very easily. 1, 2, 3, 4. Side panel. Done. And obviously you got your rear quarters, and I guess it's as good a time as any to break. We're starting to put rolls in our rear quarters now. That's going to be a feature that we will add on to the website before too long. And these ones are a little bit messed up, so we may have to cut these off, but we've got it perfected now finally. We've been working on it for quite a little while. And obviously your choice of O2 racks and whatnot. Obviously your choice of design and custom tailboards. So this one's a full tailboard. It's got 3 lights in it. It's got the double roll on it. Basically you just slap it up and weld it on. Easy, quick, simple. Eliminates a whole lot of work. But anyway, this is the basis of the kit. There's a couple pieces that aren't in it yet that are still over there. But it's getting crated up. This is being shipped tomorrow. The truck should be here around 4:30 to get loaded. We've got 5 crates going out tomorrow of parts. So lots of parts, lots of 2 kits, and a lot of parts going out tomorrow. So plus everything's being FedEx. So enjoy. Thank y'all guys.
Hell yeah. Well, that's the production here at Rugged Rigs this week. Be on the lookout. We got a lot of stuff coming out. Like we said, we're 100 mile an hour. We hired some badass guys. Couldn't be more thankful for the guys that we have in our shop right now. So anyway, y'all have a good week.